Hi everyone, it's Pepsi here. Welcome to another Houdini tutorial, which this time won't be just an Houdini tutorial. We are also going to use Unreal Engine. We are going to create a working character like the TARS from Interstellar in Houdini and Unreal. As usual, we will start from scratch. We will model everything with standard techniques. We are going to create a skeleton, and then we are going to use Apex to create a rig with the skeleton and this geometry, and export a set of animation to use in Unreal for our character. And we will move into Copernicus to create some custom texture for our model. We will use some standard technique of a texturing process. We will use some images, some pattern generated, some fonts, and we will export everything for Unreal also. In Unreal, we will have a look on the process on how to import a custom skeletal mesh with the correct skeleton and the correct animation. We will create some basic material, and then we will take advantage of the third-person template, which already has some basic feature for the movement, and customize it with our character and our action movement. So we will end up with a fully working character inside Unreal. So I hope you'll follow me in the next video, and I'll see you there.